In this video, I'll show you how to charge your PowerBeats Pro. So there's multiple ways on how you can recharge their batteries, but every method starts with putting them inside of the case. So let me put them like that and like that. Make sure they click. I don't know if you hear, but there's definitely a click over there because this two contacts here needs to make contact with these over here in the case. Okay, perfect. Close the case. Now, if you close the case and you see this light over here red, it simply means that the battery is less than 40% and you need to charge them. If it's blinking red, it means that the battery is almost dead. Then take the charging cable. This one is the original one, but obviously you can use another one. You need a lightning connector like this one. Plug it in the back over here. And then the other end, you'll need one of these. It does not come included with one. It's a charger that has a USB type A port over here. Connect this and that, whoops, like that, and connect that to your power outlet and you'll be good to go. Now, if you do not have a charger or a power outlet, you can always use a USB type C to lightning connector cable. This way you'll be able to charge your PowerBeats Pro using your phone. So you can actually connect, you see, to the USB type C port of your phone if this was a USB type C cable. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one of those cables. If you're in a rush and you want to charge them quickly, you can get up to 1.5 hours of listening time with only 5 minutes of charging, which is quite quick. The battery inside of the PowerBeats unit lasts about 9 hours. But with the case, the battery should last about 24 hours because when you put them back in the case here, it recharges them. If you're having issues and nothing is working, you're trying to charge them and it's not working, one of the main reasons is that these contacts over here have been covered with sweat or other debris over time, and even if I put them here, nothing will happen. So you need to take some rubbing alcohol with a Q-tip or even with your finger, dip your finger in the rubbing alcohol and then rub this very well over here. Do the same thing with the contacts inside of the case and then try again. So this is it. This is how you charge your PowerBeats Pro. Just use the cable that come included or get another one, a longer one, since this one is on the small side, and you can connect it to a charger, to your phone, or even a computer if you found this to be easier. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.